Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Hot Wheels BMW M3 Wagon, number 10 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Modified. It's number 138 out of 250, and yeah, this is more to a 2024 model, and yeah, this is not the first time we've seen it. We've seen this car released in blue, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, this is now repainted in red, a bright red color with the BMW sort of livery right here, which is nice. Really do like that. Love the rims right here in sort of like a bronze near gold-ish color, which is nice. So like I said, 10 out of 10 from House Modified. Then yeah, that is the back. BMW M3 Wagon. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Hot Wheels has released the M3 a couple of times back then. One of them that I have is basically the I think the, what do you call it, the Forza? I think the one in the Forza livery in white, if I can recall. The M3. Okay, I'm not that great when it comes to the M3 lineup, but I think it should be the E46. I'm not entirely sure of the code names for these BMWs. You can correct me in the comments if you do. But yeah, I think it's the E46. I'm not sure, but still, yeah, I'm not entirely knowing of which BMW model version is which. But as far as I know, we have a lot of versions, which is the E36, E46, the E90, I think. We have a ton of versions, and yeah, they all identify which model and which year was it released, basically which era as well. And yeah, this is basically the wagon version. Basically this, I would say, has been turned into a wagon. And yeah, these do exist in real life, but more rarer cases. And I'm not sure if this car is normally these estate, or people call it wagon style models, are normally mostly found in the American countries, or at least the European countries. It pretty much depends. It's less common in Asia, but they are more common in countries such as the US. More specifically, we do have them in Asia, but then in US they do include the wagon version, because most people that are from the European countries and also the US, basically they have a high amount of requests for wagon style models, one of which would be, say, the Audi RS Avants. Mainly the wagons, I would say. The BMW wagons such as this, the M3. Like until now, we have the G80 M3, if I'm not mistaken, and that same version actually does exist as a wagon as well, and is mostly focused on the Western countries, and less common in like Asian countries or like anywhere here. Basically, you don't normally see wagons often, especially the wagons that are like from the European brands such as Porsche, BMW, and also Mercedes, something like that. And yeah, the M3 is basically the same thing. So yeah, I really do like to see that Hot Wheels actually like managed to basically gather attention of people that are requesting for these wagons, and Well, even though they have not released any of these in car culture yet so far, and I'm hoping to see them, maybe something like this will come out in car culture in the future. I really do hope for that, and maybe we can see it with more extra details. A car like this pretty much means that we basically have a balanced car like ecosystem between the sedans and also the wagons. Doesn't have to be more focused on the sedans, but yeah, we do have the wagons as well, which is actually pretty great. So yeah, really do like this M3 here, wagon. So it has a longer wheelbase, as you can see. I really do love the tires. Those are basically the new rims, which were introduced at in 2024, I believe, on that one model that I can remember till now that introduced these rims, which is actually the Celebro GT, a fantasy car that actually brought these rims into the Hot Wheels world. And yeah, until today, these rims are actually popular and yeah, mostly used in these licensed models, which I really do like. And yeah, I love the car in this sort of like red color right here, metallic red, which is great. You do have some plastic parts over in the bottom, but we don't really mind about that. The hood is also colored in black, as you can see right here. You do have some stripes and designs here and there, basically that yeah, basically they are more to like the BMW M3 sort of design, which is basically indicating that this BMW is actually basically an M, how to say it, sort of like AMG, sort of like that. And yeah, it's really good actually. So we do have a lot of sponsors on this car as well, which we will walk through and talk about right now. So yeah, let's take a close look at our BMW M3 wagon right here, colored in red. So here is our BMW M3 wagon colored in red. We've seen it colored in blue in the past, and now we have it in red. Quite a nice one right here. So like I said, we have these sort of like bronze near to gold sort of chrome colored rims, which are nice, and I really do like it. You can see that these are sort of like star-shaped design rims, which are pretty nice. Really do like that. So you have some black and white stripes running from the back towards the front of the door. You have the M emblem or M logo right there on the front. Sorry, the what do you call this, passenger door. And then you have Motul right there, sponsor. Goodyear, Hot Wheels. What is that? I'm not very sure. Bilstein, I think. Yeah, Bilstein. And yeah, that's all. Very nice. You do have the side mirror detail right here. Metal side mirror connected to the body of the car. And moving on to the front, really do like this one. So you don't really have headlight details nor the grille details because it is basically on plastic. So the front, this black part right here, or basically the part with the headlights and also the front grille, actually is plastic and colored in black. Over at the bottom here is also plastic. The front bumper as well as the front splitter is actually plastic as well. Over here is the part where it is metal, which is interesting to note. And yeah, basically you don't have any like license plate details or blinker details or anything thus far. So over on the hood right here, you do have a black colored hood right here, very nice. BMW logo, you do have some white and red stripes. Number 90, Goodyear right there, Motul, and also Bilstein is very nice on the hood. At least you do have some detail on the hood, which is great. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior. Now I'm not entirely sure it is left-hand drive. So for an European car, I would say, yeah, it is pretty accurate for left-hand drive. If it's maybe more to the Japan market, yeah, it's mostly right-hand drive. Basically, the Asian countries would normally have right-hand drive for their cars. Over on this side, it is pretty much the same. Just to show you guys, you actually have this window, which I'm not entirely sure whether it's intentionally supposed to be like half up, because I saw some videos online where they actually mentioned that this is like an error, or I don't know, a Hot Wheels error or anything. But yeah, I see that most people actually open this car and basically get their left side window right here being half open, which is kind of weird, but yeah, it is there. Maybe just to add a bit of like detail right there, which is interesting. So yeah, this is half up, which is nice. As the back are pretty much normal right there. The roof is empty. I forgot to mention that. So now I was expecting that this car maybe would have like a rear lip over on the top right here of the roof, but yeah, it doesn't. So you do have this rear window right here, which is nice. So you do have the back right here, which does not have rear lights at all. No license plate either. The BMW logo is also not here. Basically, the whole back is empty. Just to say that. You have your rear bumper here as well, which is plastic and colored in red. And yeah, single exhaust strip over on the left side of your wagon. And over on the base right here, yeah, red colored base, plastic. BMW M3 wagon, made in Malaysia, 2023 metal. And basically that's it. Oh yeah, so it's actually not, I'm actually not entirely sure, but I think this car has been released in premium before. I can't really remember what that series is called, but then it's like a Hot Wheels premium line. It's not car culture, but it's one of the expensive lineups where they actually have this wagon of an M3, and it is basically colored in the iconic M livery, which is red, white and blue, if you don't know. That car is supposed to be this M3, I think. I'm not entirely sure about that, but yeah, maybe some of you do know that basically the car was actually available at the Hot Wheels Creations website. Sorry, Mattel Creations. What did I say? Mattel Creations website, and that car was available for a while. I'm not entirely sure that is the same car as this one or not, or is this just a special release for mainline so far. Not sure about that, but still, it is a great release for this M3 wagon, in my opinion, for 2024. And yeah, I really do like this car. Very nice. Love to see these wagons start to appear in Hot Wheels. And yeah, mainly the sort of like European wagons, mainly like the Audi Avants, the BMW wagons. What else? Do we have Mercedes wagons? I mean, we do have some. Porsche, not much, except for the like the Taycan Cross Turismo. That is a wagon, so technically it kind of counts. But yeah, that is all for me to review for this BMW M3 wagon. Love the car, love the color that they chose for the paint, and of course love the rims as well. So yeah, there you go, that's my review of the BMW M3 wagon. That's all for today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.